Hello everyone, welcome to the Voice of Law. Today we will discuss a very important topic in this digital era, cyber and data privacy protection. Joining us are three amazing guests: Miss Elsa, a lawyer;
Yes, thank you, Dan.
Mr. Irwan, a prosecutor;
Thank you. Happy to join the discussion.
and Miss Amel, a judge. Welcome to the show. Let's start with you, Miss Elsa. What is a cyber law?
Civil law is a set of legal rules that regulate human activity of the digital world. Every online activity from transaction to sharing data or posting on social media. As legal consequence in Indonesia, we have law number 2000 of 2022 on personal data protection that protects people on privacy.
So, as someone split personal data in our privacy can be punished.
Yes, we can. The punishment may range up to 6 years of years in prison and less fine.
Alright, Mr. Irwan, from the prosecutor side, is it difficult to enforce cyber law?
It is well done. There are many challenges. Cyber criminals often hide behind fake identities, operate from other countries. Collection the valid digital evidence is also complex. It requires digital forensic to make sure the data is authentic in court.
So, cooperation among institutes is needed.
Exactly, prosecutor, cyber police, and its experts must work together. Good society is plays a role. Don't click random links and don't share personal information carelessly.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Irwan. Now, Mrs. Amel, as a judge, how do you handle case of personal data information?
As judge, we look at three main aspects. First, how serious the violation is. Second, whether there was criminal intention. The impact on the victim. If the offender intentionally spread personal data to harm others, the punishment will be severe.
So, the decision must still be fair and proportional, right?
Yes, that's right. Justice must be balanced, but people also need to learn protect their own data.
No, let's hear short advice from each of you. What can people do to protect their data? Miss Elsa.
Install password, enable two-step verification, and never fill out your personal data on unregistered website.
If you become a victim of data leak, report it immediately to the cyber police and stay silent.
Use technology wisely and responsible. Remember, the law also applies in the digital world.
From today's discussion, we can conclude that number one, the digital world still follow the law. Number two, personal data is right that must be protected. Number three, everyone has the duty to stay courteous online. Thank you, Miss Elsa. Thank you, Mr. Irwan, and Miss Amel for your time and insight. And to your audience, remember digital privacy is everyone's responsibility. See you next time for your Voice of Law.
Saya Muhammad Rifki Maulidi dan
Abelian Srina Ramadhani.
Aku Sekar Dayu Arindi.
Saya Mudi Mas Eka Prasetya.
Cyber yang juga disebut cyber law adalah aturan hukum yang mengatur aktivitas manusia di dunia maya atau internet. Hukum ini mencangkup semua aspek penggunaan teknologi, informasi, dan juga komunikasi, termasuk keamanan data, privasi, transaksi elektronik, kejahatan cyber, dan hak kenyataan intelektual digital. Itu saja dari aku. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.
Pendapat saya mengenai hak asasi manusia ini adalah hak dasar yang sudah dimiliki setiap orang yang sudah melekat dari sejak lahir. Yang dimana hak asasi manusia ini untuk menjaga martabat manusia, memberikan kebebasan sesama manusia, dan juga memastikan keadilan. Yang dimana kita sudah memiliki hak kebebasan berbicara dan berpendapat sesama manusia.
Menurut saya, hak asasi manusia adalah hak-hak dasar yang melekat pada setiap manusia yang tidak dapat diambil atau dipisahkan. Dalam hubungan internasional, hak itu dilindungi oleh hukum internasional dan nasional, serta menjadi landasan bagi kehidupan yang bermartabat dan sejahtera, sehingga menjadi landasan moral bagi komunitas internasional untuk mendorong keadilan, perdamaian, dan kerjasama global.
Saya, hak asasi manusia itu memastikan setiap orang punya hak untuk hidup, bebas berpendapat, beragama, belajar, dan diperlakukan tanpa diskriminasi. Hak asasi manusia itu membantu menciptakan lingkungan masyarakat yang adil dan damai jika setiap orang dapat menghormati hak orang lain.